Alright, what's up you guys, it's your boy Justin Passetti back again with another YouTube video, another Theta Token update, another cryptocurrency type of talk. So we are going to dive into the article and everything about the news for today, but before going on to everything, just a friendly reminder that this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only, so definitely do your own research, your own due diligence in regards to any type of investment, especially in the crypto space. But now that's all done and said, let's dive into this article itself. So we are going to go on to Theta Network's Twitter account. So we're going to see that the post says Theta Network, an essential infrastructure for metaverse development. Read how Theta has been positioning its technology for the upcoming metaverses for many years. So what this article and this tweet is basically saying that Theta Token, Theta, has been incorporating itself to plan for the metaverse. So if you are not too familiar with the metaverse is, a really quick simplified way is that to incorporate all the NFTs, the VR, and all the social media that's been developing in the last upcoming year, I would like to say. The metaverse is going to incorporate everything, and in order for it to run smoothly, the infrastructure, Theta Token is going to be able to process all of these things and incorporate it into the metaverse so that it runs a lot more smoothly. So if you are familiar with Theta Token itself, you have a pretty solid understanding of how Theta Token's part in this whole metaverse infrastructure is definitely essential so that everything works very well. But going on to this article itself, that's what we really want to dive into, just because this has been recently tweeted and we want to understand how this will play out. So going on, clicking onto the article itself, we are going to be taken to the very top over here saying that Theta Network, an essential infrastructure for metaverse development. As you can tell, it says November 8th is when it was posted, and it's about a 4-minute read. I'll definitely put all the links down below so you guys can definitely stay caught up in case you missed anything from the video itself. So scrolling down a little bit, you can see that metaverses, virtual worlds where large numbers of users can interact with each other, were not created last month when Facebook renamed itself Meta. The concept originally comes from Neil Stephenson's cyberpunk classic Snow Crash. Broke new ground in the early 2000s in the game's Second Life, and has been significant focus of the blockchain space for several years now. From Decentraland to the Sandbox, blockchain has allowed metaverses to become more decentralized with transactions, video, and data transfer and delivery outside of centralized rails. Scrolling down to the next paragraph, as metaverses and metaverse-based virtual live events and gaming continue to grow, Theta is positioned as a key infrastructure to power them across the technology stack. Their high concurrent user counts are a perfect size for peer-to-peer video and data delivery, and showcase the need for Theta protocol. Since metaverses are where much of the future of media and entertainment, including gaming, will happen, they are a key frontier for expansion of the Theta ecosystem as well. I did read over this article a little bit, so this is definitely the most key parts of why Theta Token is definitely essential for the infrastructure for the metaverse. Scrolling down, you can even see the reasons why. Many of the technologies that the Theta team has developed over the years are key components in the upcoming metaverses being built today. Number one, rendering VR worlds in real time for VR-based metaverses. Theta Video API as a building block for devs to integrate video into metaverses. Decentralized video distribution to relay in metaverse video between users, video-based NFTs that can capture meaningful moments in the metaverse. As you can tell, there are also hyperlinked in this article, so definitely check down below if you want to definitely read more into it. We are going to just focus on this one article for today. Combining these elements into one suite of decentralized services, Theta Network has become an essential building block for metaverse development, because there has also been an event already where Theta Token has already incorporated this type of metaverse into their system. So if you're watching this and you're a new user, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. I'll put that plug in right now. But if you're also a returning member, you are also aware that Theta Token has already had this type of process, so we're going to read into it a little bit more. Last month, Theta partnered with Decentral Games to host a live stream of their Metaverse nightclub hosted by Ibiza's Amnesia nightclub, the biggest virtual club night ever featuring world-famous DJs like Benny Benassi and Luciano. Future live events can expand this concept to use Theta peer-to-peer distribution so that users can earn T-Fuel just for showing up at the party and sharing their bandwidth for data, video, computation, and more. Plus, Theta's patented NFT DRM technology, soon to be built on the Theta Pass ticketing system, will let users use NFTs as their unique tickets to enter exclusive virtual live events, verifiably authentic and easily transferred between people around the world world. A Theta NFT base ticket is superior to the offline version in every way. As these seamless virtual worlds grow in size and complexity, these are just some of the ways that Theta will be foundational technology for data and value transfer within them. So as you remember, in the last coming, I believe, 6 months, Theta Token is investing a lot of their time and tweet and time into NFTs. And if you remember, they did have ticket systems. They've also incorporated a bunch of other companies onto their platforms so that these NFTs eventually will be incorporated into the metaverse so that everything runs smoothly. A lot of people are not happy where the price is right now, but we are not focusing on the price. We are focusing on the development of Theta Token and on what's on the network. So honestly, I know a lot of people, especially if you are looking at the price almost every other day. I know I have every other time. It's definitely not where we want it, but we have to understand that this is a process and not everything is going to be done overnight. This is definitely one of the long-term holds. Just a friendly reminder, not financial advice, but this is where I see the world and the future going in terms of video streaming and video games itself. So scrolling down a little bit to this quote, and we're almost done with this article, as you can tell, but we just want to scroll up just a little bit. We're saying that we're thrilled to have Theta Network on board as an official partner to power all of video content within decentral games. Theta has proven themselves as the best solution for our needs, and we can't wait to reveal more exciting developments in the works from our multi-phase rollout with Theta, quoted as Decentral Game CEO Miles Anthony. Now, going on to the last few paragraphs. Now we are continuing work with Decentral Games on several other projects to expand Theta's role as an essential infrastructure in the metaverse, from Theta video displays in Decentraland to broadcasting and sharing the metaverse experience to users around the world. Using Theta Video API, developers can use simple data ingest endpoint and just a few lines of JavaScript code to place Theta videos in their metaverse, which are then relayed over Theta's decentralized edge network. This easy integration process is key to developer adoption because it's permissionless. Any developer can use it to add any video they want to the metaverse, just as metaverses needed decentralized money that can be used seamlessly around the globe. The inevitable choice for video and data delivery in the metaverse will be Theta Network, decentralized, blockchain-based, and permissionless. Just like you can use Theta now to relay videos on websites and apps, you will be able to do so for the same video inside Metaverse as well. While it's not clear how much Facebook Metaverse will reflect the crypto ethos and decentralization, we do see it telling a sign that even the largest tech companies in the world are starting to embrace the Metaverse, a concept, and realize its enormous potential. As Metaverses transform entertainment in the years to come, Theta's blockchain technology stack video entertainment focus put into prime position to become the core infrastructure for Metaverse development. And then the very last paragraph is another quote by Theta Labs CEO Mitch Liu. Before we launched Theta Network back in 2016, GA and I envisioned a meta place where gaming fans and esports spectators could immerse themselves in the virtual world of League of Legends, CSGO, and Dota 2. If you're not too familiar, those are video games, popular video games, to be able to render these virtual game worlds in full 360 video with a VR headset and put yourself right in the battleground with the action happening around you. I'm excited that the vision is becoming a step closer to reality with new emerging metaverse environments where live virtual media entertainment, gaming, communication, avatar, and presence become real. We may be looking at $500 billion market opportunity in the next decade, all powered by Theta decentralized protocol and technologies, and like I said, quoted by Theta Labs CEO Mitch Liu. And that is the article in itself. Definitely leave a comment down below what you guys think about what this article has, where it can be placed in the metaverse in terms of Facebook, also how Theta Labs can also be a potential for any other games. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I really do appreciate if you made it all the way to the end of this video. You guys are awesome for supporting and helping me with my own channel. So don't forget, if you're a new user, definitely hit that like and subscribe button, and definitely hit that subscribe button if you're a new watcher. I really do appreciate it. It really helps my channel grow. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next Theta Token video, another cryptocurrency update. But until then, it is your boy Justin Bassetti. So try to keep up. Alright, deuces.